Hi guys, back again. My hearing's a little bit gone, but I'm back and I'm about to put this in. I had a little bit of a problem with a commonly known virus that's been going around for the last couple of years, and it knocked me for 6. So I have this problem here. I've fixed up this. I've decided to use Scholastic. It works really well. Only problem is, when I first touched to the lines to double check the voltage, it sparked. So don't touch your lines straight into the system. Anyway, so 6 and 7 isn't working on this BMS. So I've got this second BMS which I want to fit because I've got a lot of work to do today. I've got that to do, I've got that to complete, and I have a solar fault which I'm going to do on a separate issue, and we're going to have that all sorted out and we should be able to get it going. So what do you think? So I'll switch this over and we'll see what we get. So I'm starting to replace the original BMS JK with another JK. Now these are the original terminals I made up. They're wide. I use the buzz bar that I've got. Sorry about my breathing, it is a bit shallow at the moment. And I used heatsink tape paste on the back, which wipes off really easy, this white stuff, just to do the get rid of any temperature. I didn't get any temperature off it, which is good. Now I'm going to use screws to screw into this to use as a template for my second one. At the moment I don't have a second one, but once I do, I'll need some templating to make sure I've got it in the right spots. So wish me luck. I'm just going to quickly drill 3 holes using them and take them out again, and that'll give me the spots so it's nice and firm to hold it. So I've stuffed around with this new one. It's a bit dirty. Oh, what a nightmare. Get that on. I had to take the whole thing off to get it on. Anyway, I thought it would be a lot easier with these setting up here, but a little bit less. You can try and turn it on. And hopefully, yep, they're all showing up. So the other one is definitely number 6 and 7 on the other one is playing up and has a problem with it. This one's all set up. It's balanced out pretty good actually. That's yeah, 3 or 3 and then 5 or something, or 6 or 4. 4's my worst one. So I'm pretty happy with these batteries. So got them from Basson probably 5 or 6 months ago. So yeah, and you got your CAN light going on there. I've got the CAN bus there. I've got to work on it. Right, well that's it from this one, and we're going to go into fault finding my solar next.